Good morning. My name is Dina Tucker, and I'm very excited to be submitting my materials for founding science faculty member at the Downtown School. I've been teaching in Austin for 14 years, and if I had to summarize my experience, both personally and professionally in the world of education, it would be as a builder. I've had some really great experiences with teachers from the Math and Science School in Arkansas that were curious and interested and willing to try different things. And that has inspired in me a love of being creative and thinking about how you could make something that uses a lot of the traditional stuff, but also provides opportunities for students to make decisions about what they want their education to look like and help them to understand that they can guide their own educational process. I am really excited about the opportunity. I think it's fantastic to think about how you can take a school and build it from the ground up, and establish some cultural values early on and make it affordable, and especially in a city like Seattle, and then using Seattle as a classroom. I mean, and in my case, I just think about Seattle as one big lab. Like, so many opportunities there. And one of the things that I thought would be interesting is I'm really interested in sustainability and biodiversity and the ways that humans interact with the natural world, specifically with the natural world in an urban environment. So identifying these tiny little features that nature persists even amongst all of the glass and steel and concrete. So I think it would be fun to go to the aquarium and to do a biodiversity calculation and consider the species richness and abundance in a place like the aquarium. And then go to Pike's Place Market, which is also a human-created environment, and do the exact same calculations and get a biodiversity index of those two different environments, and then compare them and have just some discussions about how they're similar and how they're different, and then also do a little bit of research and find some biodiversity index calculations for some areas around Seattle, and compare them and see, is there a difference in the richness and abundance of those species, and leading that into a conversation of the limitations that nature has in terms of the evolutionary process. I also really like to think about, again, sustainability and humans' use of natural spaces in urban environments. And so I think it would be great to go to a place like Westlake Park or Freeway Park and talk about the ecosystem services that those green spaces provide for people in urban environments. Cultural, religious, recreational, water purification, carbon sequestration, and how you might use a natural space in order to augment what it already does for human beings, especially in an urban environment. Those are my initial ideas. I have lots more, and I'm looking forward to the opportunity to discussing with you further. Thank you.